Free tools for growing your YouTube channel. There are some essential tools that you can use to grow your YouTube channel, and the good news is that they are all free. Most of them are easy to use and the benefits are pretty obvious. Let's take a look at some of the best free tools. TubeBuddy. The major benefit of using TubeBuddy is that it will save you a lot of time. It also provides you with some great pointers to really grow your YouTube channel. TubeBuddy is a browser app which works with the most commonly used browsers such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. When you use TubeBuddy, you will find that it has dozens of useful features from checking the SEO optimization of your videos to helping you promote your channel. There are comprehensive training videos available that explain everything really well. You can literally save hours each week with this app. You can do a great deal with the free version of TubeBuddy, and we suggest that you start with this. If you want more features, then there is a Pro package available for $9 a month, a Star package for $19 a month, and a Legend package for $49 a month. YouTube Creator Studio. This is another free app which is great for checking the performance of your channel and videos on the go. You can use it on your iPhone by downloading it here and your Android phone by downloading here. You can't actually manage your videos with this app, but you can do everything else. It is great for finding out just how well your videos are performing, as well as look at the overall performance of your channel wherever you are. There is a filter feature where you can respond to comments and create that essential connection with your viewers. This alone makes the app worth installing on your smartphone. Buffer.com. We explained to you in the previous video that using social media to grow your YouTube channel and vlog is highly recommended. To help you share your videos on social media platforms, the Buffer app is a really great tool. With Buffer, you can schedule and post your content on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn. There is one simple dashboard for managing everything. The free Buffer plan is for a maximum of 3 social accounts, and you can schedule 10 posts a month as a single user. If you have more than 3 social accounts or plan to make more than 10 posts a month, then there are premium plans you can go for starting at $15 a month. Whatever plan you choose, you will save a lot of time if you use Buffer to schedule your posts. There is a browser extension that you can use to post content automatically to Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest. Audio Hero. It can be a real challenge to find great royalty-free music for your YouTube videos. Audio Hero makes finding great music and sound effects for your videos really easy. There's a huge library of more than 250,000 music clips and sound effects to choose from, so you should never have any difficulty finding what you want. Although the Audio Hero app is free, to use the soundtracks you will have to pay a small fee. This is a lot better than running the risk of infringing copyright and even having your videos removed. At the time of writing, you can purchase 50 downloads of royalty-free music clips or sound effects for only $9.99. Snappa. Creating your own graphics or finding a good and reliable graphic designer can be a real headache. You know that you need high-quality graphics to grow your YouTube channel, so what do? Just use Snappa, of course. There are a lot of pre-made templates you can use in Snappa. You can use Snappa easily to create your initial channel art, and then for really attractive video thumbnails as you upload your videos. It is really important that your thumbnails look great. This can literally mean the difference between somebody watching your video and someone else's. The free version has 5,000 templates, and you can create 5 graphics a month. If you want more, then plans start at $10 a month. Repost for Instagram. Repost for Instagram is another useful app for your iPhone and Android phone. Get the Android version here and the iPhone version here. We cannot recommend Instagram highly enough as a great social platform to promote your vlog. It has a huge user base that is growing all the time. When you have the Repost for Instagram app, you will be able to repost videos or images that your followers shared. You can actually include the username of the person that shared the content, highly recommended, so that they get credit and your followers can easily check them out. Ways to monetize your vlog. Okay, so you have your YouTube channel set up correctly. You have uploaded some vlog videos and you are working hard to increase your subscriber numbers and video views. Where is the reward for all of this? This training is about vlogging for profit, so we're going to share with you some of the best ways to monetize your vlog here. The truth is that there are many different ways that you can monetize your vlog and videos. YouTube Partner. When you become a YouTube partner, you can display Google AdSense ads on videos that you choose. If you are not aware of Google AdSense, it is used by content publishers, such as vloggers and blog owners, to display Google ads in or on their content. Every time an ad is clicked, you share the revenue with YouTube. Now, the first thing to say here is that it is unlikely that you will make a life-changing income with Google AdSense on your videos, even if you have millions of views. There are also various factors which affect how much of the revenue you receive, such as the number of views an ad receives. Not all viewers of your video will see the ad. The length of time that the ad was visible. Some ads are actually short videos. Was there any interaction with the ad? The demographics of your audience. The amount of advertisers that want to advertise in your niche at the current time. As you have probably worked out, it is not easy to predict the money you will make by enabling Google AdSense on your videos. But you don't have to worry about any of the factors above other than trying to get as many views to your video as possible. There are different types of Google AdSense ads that you can display on your videos. One of the most common is a standard banner displaying at the bottom of the video. There are also short video trailers that can display at the start, during your video, or at the end. Sometimes the viewer can skip these trailers, and other times they will have to watch them. You will need to meet a number of criteria to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program and displaying Google AdSense ads. The rules change often, so it is best to visit https://support.google.com/answer/72851 to see what the latest rules are. Once you are a confirmed partner, it is easy to monetize any of your videos by logging into your YouTube account and enabling monetization. There are a number of payment methods that you can choose from, including a check, wire transfer, electronic funds transfer, Western Union, and more. You need to think carefully about enabling these ads on your videos. Some viewers will not mind an AdSense banner at the bottom of the video. A trailer at the start that cannot be skipped may test the patience of some viewers, though especially if they are new to your vlog. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products, and when a sale is made, you earn a commission. Commissions range from very small, a few cents, to very large, hundreds of dollars for high-ticket items. Videos are a lot more persuasive than written text, so you could be demonstrating a product or a piece of software and then add your affiliate link in the description. Some people that own makeup vlogs, for example, make a fortune every month through affiliate marketing. With most vlog niches, there will be affiliate products and services that you can promote. You just need to find them. Use Google or another search engine and type in the type of product or service and then affiliate program. So an example would be makeup affiliate program. You can promote physical products and digital products too. Digital products would normally be software, a how-to guide, training videos, and so on. It can be harder to make a sale with digital products, but the commissions are usually a lot higher than with physical products. Merchandising. You can create your own merchandising for your vlog brand. A good example of this is a t-shirt or sweatshirt with your brand logo on it, or even caps. There are companies you can use that will supply the clothes or caps in the right sizes and colors with your design printed on them. There are other merchandising goods that are somewhat easier than clothes, such as USB memory sticks with your logo, calendars with your logo, pens with your logo, phone cases, and much more. It is easy to find a company that will brand popular items for you. Merchandising is not something that you need to think about when you're first starting out with your vlog. You will need a lot of active subscribers to make a profit from merchandising. But once you reach that large subscriber base, then you can sell a lot of merchandise items regular and make good money. Selling your own products or services. This is something that you can do fairly quickly with your vlog. There are many different products and services that you can sell from your vlog. Here are some examples: a book, a how-to guide, a video training course, coaching services. The best way to do this is to teach your audience the basics of achieving something and then tell them that if they want the real advanced methods, then they need your product. Provide value in your videos to get your audience hooked, but don't give everything away for free. One of the best ways to sell your products and services is through email marketing. You can use an email autoresponder service such as Aweber or GetResponse and provide something of value for free as an incentive to join your email list. You will need to do this from your website or blog and then add this link in your video description. Tell people in your videos the benefits of joining your email list. Tell them that you will provide them more free tips and advice, but only if they sign up for your list. Brand sponsorship. If you can get a brand sponsorship deal, then you don't have to worry about displaying ads or selling anything. You will receive payment from the sponsor because they want you to promote what they offer on your vlog. It is directly related to your vlog and will help your audience. You will need to mention your sponsor in the videos. Most of the time, sponsors find vloggers. They are only going to want to work with vloggers that have a large subscriber base, so this can take time to happen. If you have a lot of subscribers and your videos have large view counts, then the sponsors will contact you. Funding platforms. There are new funding platforms such as Patreon.com that enable vlog fans to set up a monthly subscription to fund their favorite vloggers and keep them going. A lot of vloggers are now turning to platforms like Patreon for a regular monthly income. With Patreon, you can set various levels of subscriptions. You will need to offer your Patreon subscribers something more than you do your normal vlog subscribers. They need to feel special and satisfied that they are funding you each month. Vlogging best practices. If you want your vlog to be successful, there are a few best practices that we highly recommend that you adopt. These best practices are followed by all successful vloggers, so you need to pay close attention here and follow them too. Always create high-quality videos. Always put your audience first. What are they looking for? What answers do they need to solve problems in their life? How can you make their life more exciting, and how can you entertain your audience? Never upload low-quality videos to your vlog because you feel under pressure to give your audience something. It is always about quality and not quantity. If you put out something low quality, then you will lose your audience. Just don't do this. Use good equipment and software to create your videos. You don't need the most expensive digital camera on the market, but you do need to create videos that are clear with good audio quality. Never use a poor quality microphone. Always be passionate and excited in your videos. If you are not passionate, how can you expect your audience to be? Consistency. Once you start putting out your high-quality videos, then your audience will want more and more from you. You need to be consistent and create videos to a schedule of some kind. If you leave it too long between one video and the next, you will lose people. You need to be patient with your vlog. Okay, some vlogs have taken off really quickly and make their owners a lot of money in record time. But this is the exception rather than the rule. Take your time and be patient and focus on being consistent with quality and posting schedules. Focus on getting more subscribers. Don't focus on money, focus on gaining new subscribers. Do everything you can to get the word out about your vlog. When the subscribers come, so will the money. Use social media extensively and try other methods to promote your vlog. Know what is working. YouTube has a lot of analytics to help you work out which of your videos are performing the best. So use this to discover what is working and what is not. Do more of what is working. Tweak things to make them better. Check your videos for the correct optimization.